This is Gabrielle Blanks, a first-year student in the PD Jackson-Olin High School Automotive Academy and an electric car fanatic. Gabrielle, what made you want to join this academy?
What made me want to join Automotive was I like electric cars, and in the future, all the cars are going to be really electric.
Now, Gabrielle understands it's important to learn the foundations of the automotive industry in order to work on electric cars in the future, and she's getting a head start in this academy, learning from the best, her instructor, Mr. Reginald Presley.
My first year students are always a joy to teach because they know absolutely nothing about automotive. Which way would you turn that to take that off?
This is Jeffrey Delgado, another first-year student who envisions himself owning an automotive business one day.
You can do it yourself and make all the profit you want instead of somebody else making something for you as well. You can do it all by yourself.
Jeffrey, talk about what you all are learning and how it will benefit your future.
So far, I've been working on tools, how to hold them, how to use them, and going forward, I feel like I'll be able to know more. And this is something that I want to do because I want to have my own auto shop, and I like working on cars. It's something that I like doing.
Why is it so important to teach these students the foundations of automotives first?
So when it comes to the students learning, it's a growth process from beginning to end. When I say from beginning, that first year, all safety, all tools, you learn how to handle things. As the students grow, then they move into more foundational parts such as brakes and suspension.
It's safety first, last, and always for all Mr. Presley scholars, including Gabrielle, who showed us the proper way to hold tools like this hammer.
For this hammer, it has to be held this way, going down like this, because if you don't have any goggles on or anything like that, you can get hit in the eye, hitting it too hard, going forward too hard. He mainly wants us to hold it like this, right here, and go like this.
The board that you're viewing now were the first ASE-certified students here at Jackson-Olin. When we first kicked off in 2000, the program kicked off in 2017.
Now, what makes the Automotive Academy truly special is students being able to earn certifications through automotive service excellence.
They are eligible to become student ASE certified, which is an industry certification, which is also a national certification, which is very, very important. Once student goes through their first year, they have an opportunity to go through a second and third, in some cases, even a fourth year.
Mr. Presley says these first-year students are learning fast, which means they'll soon be able to work on the cars extensively like his former and current advanced level students.
These are some of the things that they can look forward to learning about. The advanced class, they replaced the battery, they repaired the battery terminals, and then they added the 4-pin relay system to the starting system.
I'm Jalen Holloway, BCS Media.